Meet John, an IT professional living in Orange County, CA. He installed marble and travertine floor tiles at his home 4 years ago. With time, the marble and travertine floor tiles lost their luster and sheen. John tried to restore the former gloss of his floor, but all in vain. Last week, his sister Emma advised him to contact Titan's Natural Stone Restoration. Emma told John that Titan's Natural Stone Restoration offers top-quality services at affordable prices. John wasted no time and immediately made an appointment with Titan's Natural Stone Restoration. The professionals of that company restored the lost shine and gloss of his marble and travertine floors. John became very happy with the quality services of Titan's Natural Stone Restoration. Like John, do you need marble and travertine cleaning and polishing ceiling services in Orange County, CA? Look no further than Titan's Natural Stone Restoration. Call Titan's Natural Stone Restoration at 866-686-1637 to get a free estimate. For more information, visit their website at www.titansrestore.com.